Okay, sorry, I completely forgot that I was on mute. But anyway, hi guys, hi, thanks for joining the stream. Hopefully, you are actually joining the stream instead of watching afterwards. But if you're watching afterwards, that's also cool. So, what we are going to do today is the thing that we didn't finish yesterday. Okay, jokes aside, we okay. Sorry about that. I have I have to tweet this. I did remember. I what is it? I scheduled the stream, but I didn't actually tweet about it, which is the important part. So part what's this part? Is it 13, 14, 15? What's up? Okay, no, it's 13. Part 13 of building poly indexer with NVO is live. So join in. Going through FPMM contracts. No, not contracts. Event handlers. Okay. I think I'm back. But let me check. Let me check. Okay, it takes a few minutes to yes get the stream unfrozen. But cool. What I was saying was okay, give me a second. Okay, sorry, I just had to report something, so that's why I wasn't saying anything. But cool. Hopefully, you guys remember where we were yesterday. Polyma, poly, poly market subgraph, and then we wanted to do calculate prices. I do not like this, but let's see. Okay, great. Let's see. It takes big integer array and returns big decimal array. Understandable. Let's create that function here. Calculate prices. Okay, ignore this. is happening? A function whose declare type is neither must return a value. Okay, yes, it should. So let's do empty array just to remove that error. I don't like seeing the errors. Okay, we can do fill. So let's do that. Let me check, where did we, I guess here we did that. Fill, yes. Yep, you see. Okay, anyway, go here, do let out comprises equal to new array big decimal amounts, big decimal 0. That's great. Then total token balance big 0 was the type. Okay, that's big int, big integer. So total tokens balance equal to big integer 0, let product, and then we'll do this thing. Next we want to do total balance okay, and okay, what is it saying? We handled it here. No, we handled it somewhere, I'm pretty sure. This is where we handle it. We'll do if is undefined continue. Oh yes, we need to do let amount equal to, then do amount is undefined. Okay, now you see it resolved the error for us. Next, if there are no tokens in market maker, then return 0 price for everything. Okay, we return it as it is. If token balance is greater than 0, return outcome prices. So all are 0. This part is done. Denominator big 0. Okay. These are the things which I don't like. I know something is going to fuck up. Sorry about that. I'm going to mess up something here, and that will create a problem down the line, which will be hard to debug. That's why I don't like them. But anyway. Let's see. Okay. let denominator equal to big, okay, it's big integer, right? Yes, it is big integer, so we don't. Okay, that is 0. Next we have to do a loop and say denominator equal to denominator plus product divided by, okay, we again have to do f, no, let amount if continue and replace this with amount. Why? Okay, I guess in highest priority, like the priority of execution is higher for division compared to addition. I know technically in mathematics that's the flow, but I was not sure like if that's the case. That for let I amounts continue, then we are doing price, which is product big decimal divided by big decimal. Big denominator is already, no, it's not big decimal. Okay, this is correct. Arithmetic left hand side of arithmetic operation must be type any. Okay, big decimal. Should we convert this into like big decimal? Okay, we'll do toString. Okay, what I'll do is, yeah, it still throws an error which I don't understand, so let's see. Okay, we are messing up here. Is there a method like yes, there is a division, so I'll use that. Great, this should be Okay, then we don't need this part and this. Okay, this is great. Price. So just see product. Then outcome token is amounts for us or amount. Then denominator both are big integer, so multiplication is okay. We can't put big decimal in we can't put big int in big decimal, so we are converting that to string and then putting it here, which converts that to big decimal. Then we are doing the same at the top and then dividing it, and at the end we'll do outcome prices, which should be fine. Let's go. Okay, this thing, give me a second, I'll be back. Okay, I am back. So we are talking about prices. Now what we can do is outcome prices is new amounts. Next we want amount products. Okay, great. We need to figure out the nth root. Nth root. Okay, it takes amount length. Okay, I guess we need to do one more function. Nth root is big integer. We'll do return 0n. It solves our problem. If we'll do this, but not actual. Okay, log doesn't work, so I guess we need to pass context. Context. No. Handler context. Yes. That's the type. Then we'll do context dot invalid okay, invalid. Then if value is equal to, okay, I guess we'll also do x. Return 0 n as big int. Okay, what we can do is let n as big int works. Let root equal to x. Let delta root. We can just copy paste it, but at that point I don't really like this. because it's not interesting, or we actually don't understand the logic. So why this stopped? Sorry about that. The music stopped for some reason. Hopefully you guys can hear the music now. Okay, cool. That's fine. Next we want to, we did this. Now we need to do this. Okay. Do while delta root is less than, what? Variable delta is used before being assigned. Okay. Uh, that should be solved while we do the implementation. Root POW and less than, so power less than 1, begin 1. Okay, here we only need to change n minus 1 just to keep. Give me a second. I think team updated the UI. Let me check. Okay, damn, they actually did. Which is pretty good. I just saw this. Okay, go check out the, what do you call, the hosted service UI which team implemented and improved. Wow, that's actually awesome. I am okay. Great. It's actually good. Okay. Okay, there might be some issue. So let me check. I'll I will do some work again. So just give me a second. Just trying to see what's up. Okay, there there is some issue, but rest of the UI does look good. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry about just doing work on the stream. So, but anyway, no one is here, so I don't think that's an issue. Okay, let's go back to our thing, which is root. Okay, then we'll do delta root equal to x divided by minus. Okay, and at the end return root. Okay, Okay. Is anyone actually watching today? Or it's just me babbling about things I like? Okay. There is no one. Actually, there is no one. There were two people watching for a minute, I guess. But then they just left the stream. So, yeah. Anyway, back to our calculations. Let's collapse this. We have done this part. So let's do let liqui liquidity liquidity parameter context. Get collateral scale. Let me see. Utils collateral token. I want to check utils collateral token. Get collateral. No. Okay. So there is something we didn't do. We haven't done this collateral part. So collateral dot load decimal. Okay, I do know. Okay, this to do is already there. Let me add it. If it's for fetching details about collateral token and okay, this should look better. So we have to do this part now and then do collateral scale. Oh no, we can just do random one for now. Go here. Let collateral scale get collateral scale context. Function okay, that's actually correct, but here we are going to return big int, and for now just do return big int 10 18 decimal. Okay, that should be good enough. This should be good enough. Let's go and do let collateral scale decimal, big decimal to string. And now we'll do update liquidity yields. FPMM utils. Okay, liquidity. Okay, that's actually good. What we'll do is implement to do fetch token decimal from collateral entity. Copy this, go here, fix hard coded remove hard coded return value from an FPMM handler. What we'll do here is function update liquidity fields. Here we need FPMM, fixed product market maker, then liquidity parameter, which is big integer, and finally collateral scale, which is big decimal. Okay, I guess we need to do type of and same. No. Okay, this is because we are not returning it. Return oh, okay. I guess I messed up somewhere. I used the wrong type. I should have used something different. Let's see what that type is. FMM address, FMM. Okay, this one. Yes. Go here, change it. Couldn't find name. So we have to import that. Can I import it? That's the question. Let's do fixed. Okay. Now if I go here and okay, it does export types, then why it's not allowing me to import them? This might be wrong. Let's do fixed. Maker. Okay, that type, I guess we have to manually import it. Where is the relative path? Import from. Let me do this. This should. Okay, this doesn't allow me to import it. What else is there? Not really sure. Okay, there should be something like some way to import them. Fixed product market maker types. If I do type of, it doesn't allow me to do this. Let me see. Okay, obviously it's not. Okay, then go to documentation. How to import types that are not in index file of generated folder. There should be some way that we can import them, import and see them. So let's see what it suggests. Now the one we want is here. Give me a second to figure this out. Import. Okay, that works. We have that. Let's change this to okay. There is no need for this. Maybe no. Fixed. Okay, this is awesome. This works. We return this value. Let's go. That's good enough. Then it says volume. Let me collapse this and do fpmm. Great. Now we need fpmm update volumes, which takes fpmm event.block.timestamp comma investments, no, investment amounts, investment amount, not amounts, then collateral scale decimal, and okay, where are we? Type buy sell. Oh, okay. I'm not sure like if it allows us to import an enum. So somewhere here we have done like buy here or here. Where did we do that? Definitely not this. I know we created. Let's go to schema. It should show us something. Schema trade type fpmm transaction. Let me see if I can import that. I don't even know if that's possible. Let's see fpmm. I know we will do like okay, transaction buy. We haven't done this. So I want to do trade type. What is this? Okay, it does support. Go down. Here and it will be by, and let's create the function update volumes, do fpmm big int decimal trait type. This will be number, and it should return let's go and see update volume. Okay, current day, if last day activity is not equal to current day. Okay, am I miss? Okay, they are just updating the last day, there is nothing there. Now what we can do is fpmm, now last day active is fpmm dot last day active equal to get no we have timestamp to d, that function timestamp to, no, we don't have that function. Okay, so my question is, did we create it, or we like after creating we deleted that? That's the main question. Okay, I want ChatGPT to convert this users and EVM timestamp is in seconds or milliseconds. Can you convert the following function? Timestamp should be a number. Okay, now we have that particular function. If timestamp today timestamp Let me go back, update volumes. Okay, after this function is done, we should stop that. Stop this. Okay, this one is done. Next, we want to do collateral volume as collateral volume plus trade size, investment amount, trade size, then scaled. Okay, I think we should set everything at the top. Let trade size, new trade size equal to fpmm dot collateral volume plus trade size. Let new scaled new trade size scaled equal to new trade size okay, this should be big decimal scale. Okay, now that's done. Let me check. Generated enum. I don't know where enum is. Okay, did find that. Okay, ignore that. If trade type is buy, then okay, so sorry about this. I'll do fpmm equal to this is done. Okay, we modified this. Now we'll modify FPMM and do these two. So we modified this. Now we need to modify this particular part. FPMM equal to volume for scaled. Okay, so we have to do this again. Let new by size equal to this, and great. Else if okay, at this point everything is handled. Let's go at the top, and okay, this is great. Rest of the things, what's remaining? Okay, we have few things remaining that we'll do tomorrow. Anyway, let me finish this with last few remarks or whatever you want to call it. Oh, yes. Sorry. Sorry about this. I didn't have my chat open. Yes. Uh, I do provide the repo. Wow. You guys are actually watching here. I thought it's only me. That's why I didn't actually look at the chat box. Translate. Yeah, translate G. Just look at the repo that I sent right now. You can see. Sorry about this. Uh, okay. Okay, great. No, I had my chat like mute minimized. I thought it's just me doing stuff, so that's why I didn't see your comment earlier. But I have provided it here, and if you have any questions, just like ping me where you get where you can access me. Like, this is my Twitter. So if you have any question, just ping me. Otherwise, you can always find me in the NVO chat, like NVO Discord or NVO Telegram. I'll be there answering your questions. So yeah. So I do like an 1 hour every day. I do like 1 hour stream, and today it's like over an hour. So I'm gonna stop this stream today. But please do come here like tomorrow same time. Did you do calculation for long? Fetch. Did you calculate how long? How long needs to fetch all data? Not yet. Not yet. As I'm going to run this whole indexer once I'm done with all the subgraphs. So you should have answer by that time, but it's pretty quick. If you see, again, I'm doing this for like um, I do work at NVO, just as a clarification. And okay, okay, great. That's cool. You can see the speeds like NVO speeds here, how quickly it can index, which is pretty fast compared to all the competitors. We have the benchmark repo and everything. But once I'll like run the whole indexer, I'll add those benchmarks in the repo that I shared with you previously. So okay, the next question. Yes, we do provide real-time data. What what's the block delay? I'm not sure. It's very low, but I don't know the exact amount, and it's not block delay. It might be few milliseconds. So because we are still processing the data, right? You are not getting the data directly from RPC. So that small processing time, which will be like in milliseconds, that's the only delay you get. It's not uh, like 15 blocks behind. Um, so I guess that answers your question. But cool. Thanks for joining the stream. Hopefully I'll see you here tomorrow, same time. I do this at 3 p.m. UTC or 8:30 p.m. IST, which is Indian Standard Time. I'm in India, so yeah. Let's see. Okay, cool. Thanks for joining, and see you tomorrow, same time. Cool. Have a nice day.